Before we dive into the unique methods, let's briefly revisit the traditional ways of earning from livestock. Typically, revenue comes from selling products like milk, meat, wool, and eggs. These are the core income streams for many in the industry. However, today we'll look beyond these familiar approaches. Our focus will be on innovative opportunities that go beyond the basics, exploring new and creative ways to generate income from your livestock. Get ready to discover some surprising and inventive strategies that could transform your approach and open up exciting new possibilities. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Explorist. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that merges agriculture with creativity, innovative ways to generate income using livestock. If you're an experienced farmer or a newcomer to the agricultural world, you're in for a treat. We're about to explore some unconventional methods that could spark new ideas and inspire your next project. From niche markets to inventive business models, these approaches offer exciting opportunities to transform traditional farming practices. So grab your notebook and let's dive into the world of unique livestock ventures and discover how they can boost your income and refresh your approach to farming. Whether you're looking to diversify your revenue streams or just curious about the creative possibilities in agriculture, there's something here for everyone. Stay tuned as we uncover these intriguing methods and see how they can be applied to your own farming journey. Let's get started. Let's start with specialty livestock breeds. Instead of sticking with regular cows or chickens, consider rare and unique breeds that can bring in higher prices. For example, the Wagyu breed of cattle is famous for its top-quality meat and can sell for a lot of money. Similarly, some heritage poultry breeds, like the black copper Marans, are known for laying eggs in special colors and can also be quite valuable. By choosing these distinctive breeds, you have the potential to make more money from your livestock. Investing in these special breeds can help you reach niche markets and increase their value due to their rarity. To find these unique breeds, consider going to livestock shows and auctions. These events often showcase rare and exotic breeds that might attract specialty buyers. By attending these shows and auctions, you can discover new and valuable livestock options that could boost your profits. Next, let's discuss byproducts. Livestock can offer more than just meat, milk, and eggs. There are additional products you can make that add value. For example, goat milk can be used to create cheese, soap, and even skincare products. Sheep wool, on the other hand, can be spun into high-quality yarn, which is great for knitting. By making these extra products, you can find new ways to use your livestock and increase your earnings. Making these extra products can really boost your income. Setting up a small workshop or teaming up with local artisans can help you turn your livestock's byproducts into popular items. For example, you could produce cheese, soap, or yarn and sell them to customers looking for unique and high-quality goods. By adding these products to your offerings, you can find new ways to earn money and make the most out of your livestock. Agritourism is another exciting opportunity. By opening your farm to visitors, you can offer a unique experience where people can learn about livestock, help with feeding or milking, and buy fresh products from the farm. Options like farm stays and petting zoos are very popular and can attract many guests. This not only provides a new source of income, but also helps people connect with agriculture in a fun and engaging way. Offering experiences and products related to farming can generate additional income and educate people about agriculture. It helps bridge the gap between consumers and the farming community, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of where food comes from. By engaging with agricultural activities, people become more aware of the hard work and processes involved in growing and raising food. This connection can lead to more informed choices and a greater respect for the farming industry. Whether it's through farm tours, hands-on experiences, or selling farm-fresh products, these activities not only support farmers financially but also cultivate a stronger relationship between people and the food they eat. Did you know that livestock can play a role in the pet industry? For example, you can use beef or chicken to make dog treats, and horns or hooves can be turned into natural pet toys. These items are gaining popularity among pet owners who are looking for unique and natural products for their pets. By adding these types of products to your line, you can tap into a growing market and increase your revenue. Many pet owners want to provide their pets with high-quality, natural treats and toys, so there's a good opportunity to appeal to this demand. Plus, using parts of livestock that might otherwise go to waste is a sustainable way to create new products. This not only adds value to your business, but also helps in reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Whether you're a farmer looking to diversify your offerings or someone interested in the pet industry, exploring these options can be a great way to expand your product line and reach a new audience. As more pet owners seek natural and high-quality products, the market for such items is growing. Pet owners are becoming more conscious of what they give to their pets. often opting for natural and eco-friendly options. This trend creates a unique opportunity for businesses to tap into a niche market that values quality and sustainability. Offering natural products, such as organic pet food, treats made from real ingredients, or eco-friendly toys, can attract a dedicated customer base willing to pay a premium for these items. Additionally, pet owners often feel a sense of fulfillment in providing the best for their pets, and businesses that cater to this desire can build strong, loyal customer relationships. Moreover, this market isn't just about profits, it can also be fulfilling for those who create and sell these products. There's a rewarding aspect to knowing that you're contributing to the well-being of pets and supporting a more sustainable and ethical approach to pet care. Whether you're a small business or a large company, exploring the natural and high-quality pet products niche can lead to a profitable and meaningful venture. This method not only helps generate income but also supports taking care of the environment. In today's era of sustainability, eco-friendly products are becoming increasingly popular. A notable trend is the use of livestock byproducts to create biodegradable items. These byproducts can be transformed into packaging materials and eco-friendly farming tools, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional products. This shift is driven by a growing awareness among consumers about their environmental impact. People are more mindful of their choices and are seeking products that reduce waste and promote sustainability. As a result, the market for these innovative, eco-friendly items is expanding rapidly. By integrating livestock byproducts into everyday products, we not only minimize waste but also contribute to a greener planet. This rising trend reflects a broader movement towards environmental responsibility and demonstrates how industries are adapting to meet the demands of eco-conscious consumers. By tapping into this market, you can appeal to eco-conscious consumers and contribute to a more sustainable future. Another innovative method is offering livestock as a service. This involves renting out animals like sheep for land clearing or cows for educational farm visits. This approach not only provides useful services but also creates a unique income stream. By renting out livestock for specific tasks, farm owners can effectively utilize their animals in various ways, benefiting both the environment and their business. For instance, sheep can graze on overgrown land, reducing the need for mechanical clearing, while cows can enhance educational experiences on farms, teaching visitors about agriculture and animal care. This service model offers a practical and profitable way to manage livestock, turning everyday farming practices into valuable, income-generating opportunities. It represents a creative solution to maximizing the benefits of livestock while meeting diverse needs in the community. This model not only adds diversity to your income stream but also showcases the versatility of your livestock. Lastly, consider using online platforms to reach niche markets. The internet offers many opportunities to connect with buyers across the globe. You can sell rare breeds and specialty products or even offer virtual farm tours. These online options allow you to showcase unique items and experiences to a broader audience, increasing your market reach. By leveraging digital tools, you can attract customers who are interested in specific products or experiences that may not be available locally. This approach not only expands your customer base but also helps in building a strong online presence for your business. Using online platforms effectively can open new revenue streams and enhance your ability to engage with a diverse range of buyers. With a well-designed website and effective online marketing, you can expand your reach and tap into new revenue streams. There you have it, unique and innovative ways to make money with livestock that extend beyond traditional methods. Today's livestock industry offers various opportunities to diversify income streams and add value in creative ways. For example, investing in specialty breeds can attract niche markets interested in rare or heritage animals. Additionally, transforming livestock byproducts into eco-friendly products like biodegradable packaging or sustainable farming tools provides both environmental benefits and a new revenue stream. Another exciting option is offering livestock as a service. Renting out sheep for land clearing or cows for educational farm visits can be a practical way to generate income while providing valuable services. Furthermore, leveraging online platforms allows you to reach a broader audience by selling rare breeds, specialty products, or even offering virtual farm tours. These digital tools enable you to connect with buyers globally and showcase unique aspects of your business. With these diverse strategies, the livestock industry presents plenty of potential for those willing to explore beyond conventional practices. If these ideas have inspired you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more engaging content and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.